what we're gonna do here, we will look at how to add the taskbar to Fedora 44 GNOME desktop. So when it comes to taskbars, we have two options, and one is called dash-to-panel, and it is more like the Windows 11 taskbar. And then we have another one called dash-to-dock, and it is more like the Apple Mac one. And here I'm gonna install both, and then you can decide which one you want to use. And also, before enabling either one of them, we have to install a package called gnome-extensions to manage these extensions. So first copy this command and run it in your terminal to install the GNOME Extensions App. And after that, first we will install the dash-to-panel taskbar running this command. And after installing the extension, first we have to restart the computer. So after the restart, we will open the extensions app. And from here now we have this extension called dash-to-panel, and we will enable it. And that enables this Windows 11 style taskbar. And here, if you want to customize settings, you can go to settings from here, and you can also right click this taskbar and select dash-to-panel settings. And here I want to change one thing, and that is I want to center these icons, and for that we go to show applications button settings, and we will select this drop down menu and we select center option, and that will center icons on the taskbar. And one more thing I want to show, that if you have open Windows, if you quickly want to reveal your desktop, here in the dash-to-panel taskbar there is a show desktop button far right corner, just like in Windows 11, and if you click that one, that will minimize all of your open windows and show your desktop. So that is dash-to-panel, and now we will also try dash-to-dock. And for this we need to install a package called dash-to-dock, and for that we will run this command. And again we need to restart the computer before we can use that app as well. Okay, so we have restarted the computer. Now let's open the extensions app again. Extensions app. And so now we have this new extension called dash-to-dock. But before we enable that, we will disable dash-to-panel, and then we will enable dash-to-dock, and that enables this Apple Mac style dock as our taskbar. And by default it will have auto hide setting, and if auto hide setting doesn't work properly, there's something you can try here. I think you may not have to, but if it is the case, then what you can do, open the extensions app and then go to dash-to-dock settings, and from here go to intelligent auto hide, and then uncheck this checkbox push to show, and that will fix if there's any issue with the auto hide setting. And this only if you have any problem, but most likely you will not have. So that's how we add the taskbar to Fedora 44 GNOME desktop. And in the next two videos we will look at how to enable desktop icons, and we will also look at how to enable minimize and maximize buttons to Windows in Fedora 44, and you will find those videos in the description.